Good morning, Sophie. How are you today?
Good morning, sir. I'm fine, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing well, thank you. Sophie, I wanted to talk to you about your recent test.
Oh, okay. Was it bad?
It wasn't bad, but I think you can do better. You scored 55%, which is a passing grade, but I know you're capable of more.
I see. I guess I didn't study enough for the test.
That happens sometimes. Do you know which parts of the test you found most difficult?
I think the grammar section was hard for me. I got confused with the tenses.
I understand. Grammar can be tricky, but with practice, it gets easier. Have you been reviewing your notes regularly?
Not really. I usually study only before the test.
That's something we can work on. If you review a little every day, it will help you remember the rules better.
That makes sense. I'll try to study more regularly.
Good. Also, I recommend practicing with example sentences. You could even write your own sentences using different tenses. Would you like me to give you some extra practice sheets?
Yes, please. That would be helpful.
Great. I'll give them to you after class. Remember, Sophie, I'm here to help you. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask.
Thank you, sir. I'll work harder for the next test.
I know you will. I believe in you, Sophie. Keep up the effort, and you'll see great improvement.
Thanks. I'll do my best.
That's the spirit. Have a great day, Sophie.
You too, sir.